Hi, my name is Julie Gadaris, and I'm the Product Manager of E-commerce, Supplies, and Accessories here at Roland. Today I'm going to talk about static and common causes and how to reduce it. A couple of common causes of static include your printing environment, your mechanical setup, as well as media that you're running on the printer. If you're printing in a low humidity environment, this can create static electricity. If your printer is not properly grounded, then there's nowhere for the static electricity to be discharged, and this is when you can get shocked. Static electricity can be created from media detaching from the roll and traveling across the platen.
Static affects how ink is placed on the media. Any deviation from the intended location of ink placement causes defects in the print image. The real issue lies in ink mist. Ink mist is a standard occurrence with inkjet printing. They are small satellite drops that form during the printing process. Under a normal print scenario, the ink mist falls directly down around the actual ink drop, causing no noticeable defects to print quality. When static electricity is introduced, it attracts or repels the smaller ink mist satellite drops, causing them to deviate from the normal fall pattern. Static can cause mist to scatter away from the actual ink drop when it is attracted to locations of static on the media, causing the print to become blurred or irregular. Mist can even get pulled in under the pinch rollers, creating pinch roller marks.
Here at Roland, we've partnered with TAKK Industries to offer our customers a possible solution to their static electricity problems. TAKK Industry specializes in anti-static and static control products for industrial environments. Each kit comes equipped with an anti-static flex cord, conductive brush tape, and an electronic static eliminator bar. The anti-static flex cord reduces static buildup on the back of the media or media liner caused by detachment from the roll and friction from moving across the media feed path. The static eliminator bar reduces static on the media surface caused by detachment. The conductive brush tape reduces static buildup on the media and prevents static travel to and from the pinch rollers. In addition to using tools like the TAKK anti-static kit, it's always recommended to try to control as many variables in your printing environment to reduce static, such as your humidity, properly grounding your printer, and using media that isn't prone to static. The TAKK anti-static kits can be purchased from your local Roland dealer or on the official Roland DGA online store.